I know a lot of you guys are looking for something beginner friendly. I came up with this strategy that requires no selling, no social media followers, no investment, and no website. But it pays really well, and it pays automatically. So make sure you stay tuned and watch all the way until the end. Before we start, welcome to our channel, where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. This is a tool that you will need to sign up for absolutely free in order to set everything on autopilot so you can collect those earnings automatically. But before we get to this tool, there's something else that you will need to set up. So first of all, you will need to head over to a website called Offer Vault. This is a CPA marketplace with thousands of different CPA offers which you can grab and sign up for absolutely free. CPA stands for cost per action, which means that people which you refer through your referral link don't need to buy anything and they don't need to spend any money. But you will still get paid even if they just enter their email address. It's a lot easier to make someone sign up to something for absolutely free by entering their email address than to make them buy something or pay for anything. And that's why this strategy works so well. Now I'm going to show you how you can grab some of these offers. How you can grab your referral link and set it up on complete autopilot. With the second tool which we will be using, so you can collect some passive income hands-free. So step number 1 is to go over to offervault.com. Step number 2 goes to the search bar and type gift card and click on search. The most popular keyword is a gift card because there are different giveaways to which you can refer people and get paid. Where they can sign up by entering their email address and they have a chance to win a gift card and you'll get paid just for them signing up for absolutely free. So now when they sign up through your link, they have a chance to win something, and that's why this method is easier than if you were selling something. And as you can see, in most cases people will just need to enter their email address. And they just need to submit their email address, and in this case, you will get paid. You will get a different amount of money per email, and you will earn anywhere from $1 to $2, and sometimes even more than that. So you can go through all these offers and just find the most suitable one for you. For example, we're going to use this one right here where people just need to enter their email address. And I will get paid with this amount per email. So just go through those offers and find some giveaways where they're giving away $100 or $800 gift card. So I will open up this offer, then you can read more about it. And as you can see, this is the payout, which means if I refer more people, that's a lot more money for me. And passive income for me, and so on and so forth. And I'm going to show you a traffic source which you can use free of charge where millions of people come every single day. Step number 3, grab your CP, a link. Now it's always going to be a little bit different because these are all coming from different websites. But basically, all you have to do is just click this button. That will take you over to this website where you will need to sign up. And it's really easy and fast to sign up. You will need to enter your name with some basic information and agree to their terms and conditions and privacy policy and just sign up. And once you sign up, you can grab your special CP, a link. You will need to grab that and copy that link, and you will need to start driving traffic. Once you grab your referral link, just go over to a website which we will be using as a traffic source to make those commissions in complete autopilot, and the website is called Answers. This is over at answers.com. This website is being visited by 7 million people every single month. You can get a lot of sign-ups from answers.com. Now answers.com is a place where millions of people come every single day to ask and answer questions. And a really good thing about answers.com is that once a question is answered on this website, it's going to start ranking on Google. Because if you think about it, when someone wants to find an answer, they would go to Google to search for it, and chances are some of the answers from answers.com will pop up. So these posts are ranked really high on Google. Now first of all, get started with this website. You would need to create a free account. And to do so, just click on login right here, then click on the sign up button. And you can sign up by entering your email address, then create a password. Once you create an absolutely free account, you can start using the search bar so you can find targeted people that would be interested in signing up for your offers. So you can search for different keywords like make money online, how to get free Visa cards, Visa gift card giveaways, You're looking for people that are interested in making money online. And you're looking for people that are willing to sign up for your offer. So let's say for example I'm going to search for make money online that's going to give me millions of results. And as you can see lots of people are asking this question. Which means there's a lot of demand on this website for this particular topic. What you can do is you can simply start replying to those questions. And you can tell them hey you can sign up to this absolutely free giveaway and you can have a chance to win a gift card or whatever your offer is and just give them your CP, a link. Providing them with value for absolutely free, but you're also creating a passive income stream. So I hope you did get some value out of this video. And that's it. Before we go make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want to earn even more money, please check the first link on the details given below to learn how to earn free bitcoins using the best Bitcoin mining app for beginners 2021 this year. Whoever without can experience the past. Yes, it is possible, and I will show you exactly how to get there in that video. Check this out. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to like notification to drop for another subscription so you don't miss any new material. As always, I'll see you in the next few videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $400 per day. Imagine waking up early in the morning, you just grabbed your mobile phone, and you see a new notification. Congratulations, you just earned $180, it's a direct deposit into your bank account. And immediately you receive another notification, congratulations, you just made another $400. This has become something really usual for me and many other people. Who knows, the secret will receive notifications like this daily, but today you could be one of us.